Imagine going live to over 30 platforms at the exact same time without even being at your computer. Welcome back. Today, we're showing you how to use Restream to schedule your pre-recorded videos to broadcast as live streams. Restream is a simple yet powerful live video platform designed to help you create beautiful videos and multi-stream them to your favorite channels. It is trusted by over 10 million creators and 100,000 businesses, having delivered over 125 million streams globally. One of its standout features is the Upload and Stream tool. This allows you to completely pre-record and edit your video to perfection, upload it directly to Restream, and schedule it to broadcast live to over 30 destinations at once. Restream also offers Restream Studio for live broadcasting and a Clips tool to capture your best moments. Now, to be completely transparent, we don't have access to specific user reviews or external feedback for this platform in our current database, so we can't share detailed pros and cons from other creators today. However, the sheer scale of their platform and their massive user base speaks volumes. To get started, just head over to restream.io, sign up for free using your email or Google account, upload your video file, schedule your broadcast time, select your target channels, and let Restream handle the rest. It's an incredibly easy way to maintain a consistent live presence without the real-time stress. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to head over to restream.io to try it out. Leave a comment below and subscribe for more tips.